Hello, my name is Prince. Today I would like to share you about the experience in Hypnotic Journey course from of Mr. David. Firstly, my feelings about this course is I like this course because it's helped you to know more deeply about yourself. And yeah, someone might think that you know much about yourself, but if you're taking this course, you might change your mind about it. And the experience in this course, I feel so funny and excited many times. And people inside the class, it's so funny and they're so open. I mean, we could help each other to improve ourselves a lot. And the main benefit that I get is I can learn how to cope with stress or my past. Of course, everyone have bad things in the past and the things that you stuck with it, and you can learn how to cope all of that things in this class, and of course with your practice too, and you can improve your ideas of your present and improve your future, fix the thing that you think you can't, but it's only on your mind, it's not the truth. And if I have a chance here, I would like to recommend you to join this course because it's not easy to say why, but you need to feel it by yourself. It's maybe the best way to know my feelings, right? So thank you.